guy in high school that made fun of another guy. His name was Barry, and he just called him Dingleberry.
Dingleberry.
Yep. So we added a U backward and figured it'd be funny. Well, this is the Dingleberry. Travis, Steven, Joe, heading up for the zoo. Don't lean over the sides at all.
There's one thing I have said, is that the dreams I once had now lay in bed. As the four winds blow my wits through the door, it's been the worst.
So have you guys ever sailed this thing before?
No, this is the maid voyage.
What's the plan?
So hit the zoo. We got a truck down there parked.
So it's like what?
4 hours.
10 miles?
I'm not sure about the mileage. It takes between 4 and 5 hours. And at least in the good ways. It'll probably slow it. Yeah. Or faster. Oh, let's get a picture.
It's been the worst day since yesterday.
Okay, and you're gonna pole with these things?
Yes, sir. Got these so they won't sink into the mud.
If you're of drinking age, I recommend that you have beer.
Yeah, we're old enough. We got something a little stronger though.
That's good. You'll need every bit of that, whatever you got.
Oh yeah. We got plenty. We need to like rebuild this end of the raft. Let me go get a few extra nails. And that extra slat of wood.
You don't find that a problem?
We're about to work on that. Well, once it gets in the water, it'll level off.
Alright.
Trust me.
And I seldom feel the bright relief. It's been the worst day since yesterday. These ones have seen no wars, except for the scars I have ignored. And this endless crutch, well, it's never enough. It's been the worst day since yesterday.
Y'all want to just guys hang out at the river and get drunk?